Unai Simón is a Spanish professional footballer who plays as a goalkeeper for a La Liga club Athletic Bilbao and Spain national team. He is widely regarded as one of the top goalkeepers in the world, known for his shot-stopping, composure, distribution, and penalty-saving abilities. In 2026 FIFA World Cup, he escorted Spain to World Cup glory with a historic defensive campaign. Simon conceded just one goal throughout the tournament and posted 7 clean sheets, setting a new record for the most shutouts in a single World Cup, earning him the Golden Glove Award. He started almost every match as Spain stormed in their fourth European Championships title. Simon represents Spain at youth levels, winning the 2015 UEFA European Under-19 Championships and the 2019 UEFA European Under-21 Championships. He made his senior debut for La Roja in November 2020 and swiftly became the nation's undisputed first-choice goalkeeper. He was Spain's starting keeper at the 2022 World Cup in Qatar and has since featured in major tournaments including the 2023 UEFA Nations League. He began playing football locally with Eddie Juya and Aurora Victoria before joining Athletic Bilbao's renowned youth academy at age 14 in 2012. He quickly became the club's number one, known for acrobatic saves, composure under pressure, and comfort playing out from the back as a modern sweeper keeper. By early 2025, he had made over 200 appearances for the club and signed a contract extension through 2029 with no release clause. As of now, he has made 2064 official appearances across 9 seasons at Athletics. He logged with a host family in a Bilbao area while developing there. Simon represented Spain at various youth levels, winning the UEFA European Under-19 Championships in 2015 and silver at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. He earned his senior debut in 2020 under Luis Enrique and quickly became the first choice goalkeeper. Simon is an imposing modern goalkeeper, strong in own situation, aerial ability, and building from the back. He is noted for his perfectionism, often reviewing footage with family help in his youth.